and today I'm going to make a orange carrot smoothie. So let's get started. So the ingredients we have are some jackfruit, some carrots, some coconut milk, some ginger powder, and turmeric. We also have some grapefruit and orange. If you want the measurements for the ingredients in this recipe that we are using, make sure to check out the link in the description below this video. So we're first going to peel our orange and our grapefruit that we have. Grapefruit and orange. I finished peeling the orange, so we're gonna get to the grapefruit.
Hi, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new here, make sure to go on over to join our free email list at berkeleychefs.com/join the list. Now let's go back to the video.
I just finished peeling the grapefruit. Awesome. So we're gonna clean up the mess and we'll be right back. So nice to have the blender here. So we're gonna put our milk in first. Our coconut milk. There it goes. Then we're gonna put our nice oranges and grapefruit. Then it goes. And we're gonna put in our nice carrots, and then we'll put in our jackfruit. The last thing we're gonna put in is our turmeric and ginger powders.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Hello, I'm Caleb and I'm here to tell you about our book, The Amazing Coloring and Learning Book of Fruits and Veg. You should get this book because each and every single page here in this book has been designed to help your kids and you to learn about fruits and vegetables which are healthy for your body. These fruits and vegetables here are either drawn by me or my brother Elisha. That gives you a fact and a benefit about the fruit or the vegetable. Durian. Let me read this out. I'll pop it up on the screen here. A durian is a big fruit with a strong smell and a hard shell with sharp thorns. Durian trees can reach a height of 50 meters. It helps to boost your immune system. So this book you should get. It's a great learner's book for you and your children. Plus your children can have fun coloring the fruits and vegetables. You can get this book on Amazon.com or Amazon.ca. Or you can scan this QR code here to take you to the book.
We're gonna close off the lids and blend it all together well. We're gonna take it off. Move our machine. Ooh, it smells so amazing. It smells good and it looks very nice and orange. The turmeric helped with some of that coloring in it, and so check out how it looks. And we're gonna pour our nice smoothie into our glass. It looks amazing. And we're gonna get some toppings to put on and a nice straw. And we finished decorating it and we're gonna see how it tastes. It tastes amazing. This smoothie has a top-notch citrus flavor. It's really good. This is a super healthy smoothie. I recommend you try it. It might not take that long to make, and it's really good.
Now, here I am to tell you some of the benefits of grapefruit. So let's get started right now. Number 1. Grapefruits are very high in nutrients that can help assist your body. Number 2. Eating grapefruit can help improve your heart to keep your heart in a healthy shape. Number 3. Grapefruit contain powerful antioxidants. Consuming grapefruit can help reduce the risk of having kidney stones. That's benefit number 4. As you can see behind me is my painting. I painted that by myself, and you can get some of the prints at berkeleyfamilyart.com. Link in the description below. Number 5. Eating grapefruit can help keep your body hydrated. Benefit number 6. Because grapefruit is high in vitamin C, it keeps your immune system running well. And number 7 is to make sure to knock that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified on every recipes we make if you're interested in that.
That's not a benefit.
Oh yeah! But please do it anyways. We really appreciate it and it really helps.
Right.